how to earn $75 PayPal money fast. Make sure you stay until the end so you don't miss out on a direct example of how you can earn $75 in minutes. You'll be shocked. Number 1. Make a PayPal account. First, create a PayPal account. PayPal allows you to store your earnings digitally through their online wallet. Don't worry if you do not have one, it's super simple to set one up, and we'll be showing you how step by step. PayPal is an online wallet that stores money and allows you to withdraw it into a bank account so that you can have it in cash. You can also use your PayPal money to buy things online. It is very versatile and helpful for the digital age. So let's get started. First, head on over to the PayPal website. There you will see a sign up button on the top right of the page. Click on that. Now, it will ask if you'd like to set up a personal or a business account. Click on Personal. It will then lead you to a page where it asks you what kind of account it is. Select either online shopping, freelance, and seller, or all of the above, or just unsure. After that, you will be asked to enter your mobile number. You will then need to enter a working email address and a secure password. After that, you will all be set with your new PayPal account. Time to put some money into it. Additionally, you can download PayPal's mobile app for earning and spending on the go. Number 2. Go to the Userlytics website. Use Userlytics to earn through PayPal. Userlytics allows you to test various applications and pays you in return. The platform aims to provide user testing services by providing real-time users who test out websites and applications and help improve the overall user experience. When you scroll to the bottom of the website, you will see many different buttons, but you will need to navigate to the Userlytics tab and find the Be Paid to Participate button beneath it. Once you've clicked on that link, you will be led to a page that shows you 3 steps. This site will pay you to test websites and apps. First, you will need to register. To do so, you will have to complete a short and easy form. Then you should be qualified to join their community of website testers. For the second step, you will be interacting with a web or mobile app. You will be testing the user interface of these sites, so there will be a few questions to answer for each web or mobile app that you test. Then the fun step, step 3, you get paid via PayPal. Once your test results are approved, you will get paid $5, $10, $15, or $20, depending on the project that you have completed. There are also other amounts, including some that pay upwards of $90. So complete as many of these as you can in order to earn big. The best part is that you don't have to just do this on your computer. You can complete this by signing in via your Android or iOS device. This is also available all around the globe, so anyone can do it. Number 3, sign up for a free account on Userlytics. First, sign up for the website. You won't be required to pay, not even for the trials, as the website is completely free. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the big pink sign up button. It is quite hard to miss. Put in your email address, check off that you are 16 years of age or older, and then check off that you agree to the terms of use. Then click the sign up button. Make sure you enter a valid email address because they will be sending you an email to create your password. Once you have entered all of that, you will get notification that states that your account has been successfully created. Now you will have to check your emails. Once you have done that, you will see that it has sent you to a profile page for your account. There are a few things that you will need to fill out before you can get started with testing web and mobile apps. It will ask for basic information such as your full name and PayPal address. You will also be asked what languages you speak. There are also some technical questions as well, such as what operating system you have or what your preferred browser is. You also need to answer questions like what your education is and what your approximate household income is. Just fill these out, it is quite simple. With all of this filled out and your account confirmed, it is now time to move on to the task at hand. Let's get to that step next. Number 4, complete tasks that were emailed to you. Once you set up the account, you'll receive emails pointing out tasks that you'll need to complete. Upon completion and approval of the task, you will be paid. So let's look at an example task. This will be for website testing for the website Etsy. It will only take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete, and the payout is $90. The task will have steps that you need to follow and complete. Check out what you need to do to start with step 1. For this example, let's go ahead and look at it. It asks you to open a new browser tab either through your phone or computer. It leads you to the Etsy official website, so click on that link first. Simple so far, right? Now you have completed step number 1. Let's move on to step 2 in this example. Step 2 asks you to take a screenshot of the homepage of Etsy. This is so that you have proof that you visited the website. If you are using a computer, you can use a snipping tool to screenshot this page. This is step 2 complete, and it is already proven to be quick and easy. Now it's time for step 3. Step 3 wants you to search for clothing, women's clothing, dresses, and then asks you to filter the results by certain criteria such as free shipping, any price, gothic style, and size 00. This step is to help see if customers can easily find products on their website. It will show if it is too difficult to search for certain criteria, and you can give feedback on how simple or difficult it was to help them improve their site. This is all helping these web and mobile apps. Now you will need to go back to the homepage of Etsy. You will see a few tabs at the top of the page. Look for the one mentioned in the instructions, which in this case was clothing. Click on that and go down to the women's section, then find the dresses section. Click on that. It will now lead you to a new page. You have completed the first part of step 3. Now it is time to filter the results. Go to the page and look at the sidebar to the left of the product. There you will see that you can tick off different options to filter the results down to specific items. Now you will need to follow exactly what the instructions are asked of you. So let's take a look. For the special offers tab, click on free shipping. Next, for the ready to ship in tab, choose 1 business day. Price should be any price, size is 00. Clothing style is gothic, dress style is flapper. Shop location should be set to anywhere. Item type should be ticked off as vintage. It is pretty simple to follow these instructions, and it takes no time at all. And that is step 3 all done. Now take a screenshot of the filters that you have chosen. Now let's look at step 4. It asks you to search for the green sapphire engagement ring and take a screenshot of the current discounted price. What you can do is highlight the name of the product that step 4 stated and copy it. Now you can go back to the Etsy page and paste what you copied into the search bar at the top of the page. Then you can click on the search button. Now look for the product with the matching name from step 4 and select it. Once you are on the main product page, take a screenshot either with your phone or your computer, depending on what you are using to complete these tasks. This screenshot will show them the discounted price of the product. Now that is all it for this example task. What happens once you complete it is that you will wait for a confirmation that your task has been approved. On your account, you will see a page for account payment details. There are 3 sections: paid, pending payments, and total payments to date. Here you can see how much money you have earned and how much of it is yet to go into your account. And that is it for this technique. It is super simple and can be done with a computer or a smartphone, so try it out today. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these videos on your screen, and we'll see you there.